Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is May 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into BingEx's first quarter financial results for 2025. BingEx, a leading on-demand dedicated courier service provider in China, has just released its earnings report. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss BingEx's performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BingEx reported revenues of RMB 960.8 million for the first quarter of 2025, a decrease from RMB 107.7 million in the same period last year. John, what are your thoughts on this revenue decline?
The decline in revenue is primarily due to intensified market competition, which led to a drop in order volume. However, it's important to note that despite the revenue dip, BingEx improved its gross profit margin to 13.2% from 11.8% last year, indicating better cost management and operational efficiencies.
That's a significant improvement. However, the company reported a net loss of RMB 10.3 million. Can you elaborate on the factors contributing to this loss?
Certainly. The net loss was influenced by increased operating expenses, particularly in selling, marketing, and administrative costs. Despite this, BingEx achieved a non-GAAP net income of RMB 49.6 million, which reflects adjustments for non-cash charges like share-based compensation and changes in the fair value of long-term investments.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. BingEx's operating expenses increased by 27% year over year. How is the company managing these costs?
The increase in operating expenses is mainly due to higher share-based compensation and professional fees. However, BingEx has maintained a strong cash position of 787.2 million, which provides a buffer to manage these costs effectively. The CEO, Mr. Adam Shui, emphasized a strategic focus on core user base and service quality, while the CFO, Mr. Luke Tang, highlighted efforts to enhance operational efficiency for sustainable growth.
Looking ahead, what can investors expect from BingEx in terms of strategic initiatives and market positioning?
BingEx is committed to advancing its on-demand courier model and expanding its service footprint, particularly in lower-tier cities. The company is also exploring innovative cross-industry collaborations to boost brand awareness and engage its target audience. These initiatives are expected to drive long-term growth and strengthen BingEx's market position.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, BingEx's Q1 2025 results show a mixed performance with a decline in revenue but an improvement in gross profit margins. The company's strategic focus on core user base and operational efficiencies is promising for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
BingEx is navigating a competitive market with resilience. While the revenue decline is a concern, the improved margins and strong cash position are positive indicators. Investors should watch how the company executes its strategic initiatives in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BingEx's performance in the comments below. Until next time.